Toyota renewed the Corolla. The changes of the model are varied and begin with aesthetics, the first thing that draws attention in the images. The most important innovations are in the front sector that received brand new grille, bumpers and optics, which can count on LED lights. The exterior renovation is completed with new rear lights, with LED lights and a chrome-plated, and with the new alloy wheels with 17 inches and diamonds in some versions. Sports style called XRS, which had been available in the previous generation. It differs from the rest of the range by the presence of front, side and rear skirts, as well as a rear spoiler and a chrome exhaust. The 1.8-liter VVTi twin-engine with 139 horsepower and 174 Nm of torque, which is currently sold locally at 140 horsepower, in addition to the 2.0 VVTi dual with 143 horsepower and 190 Nm. On the other hand, the gearboxes are the two known, manual with 6 gears and automatic CVT with 7 speeds. The Corolla is also evolved in the interior, where it has a new multimedia center with 7 screens similar to the Hilux and SW4, brand new automatic climate control of 1 or 2 zones, renewed instrument panel and new shaped side air vent circular. The mechanics also includes a new calibration of the front and rear shock absorbers and a clearance of the body from the ground that has been increased by 5 mm. The Corolla 2018 is also notable for having incorporated electronic stability and traction control systems, which are present in all versions, which also have help on slopes and 7 front airbags, side curtain and driver knees.